Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download it through the Coinbase application through your phone or through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go actually and open the application, then click at getting started to create your account. Of course, if you don't have an account or if you don't want to follow the steps from there, you will find out a video on this channel on how to create your account successfully and start using the Coinbase application correctly on this channel. So just go check it out. If you already have an account, just go and click add log into your account or sign into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait until the application loads, and as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. So if you want to actually add the payments method, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top left corner and then click at the profile settings. So from here, if you find a payments method or payments method here, so just scroll down like carefully. So if you find this here, that's good. If you didn't find it here, it's all fine. Just go back and then click at your browser at the bottom right corner. So as you can see from for me here, we're having a connection issues. I'm not having any connection issues, but I'm using the Coinbase application on a simulator, so I'll not have the option of using the browser on the Coinbase application. But for you, if you're using it on a normal phone, you will have the option right there. So just go, if you go to the browser, just go to the settings and click and you'll find from there an option called payments method on the browser there. So then just click add payments method, of course, or add the payments method, then select the type of account you want to link. Of course, it could be PayPal, debit card, or any other maybe account. So then you would like to follow the instruction to complete verification depending on the type of account being linked. So and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.